getting started. Just believe in your dream and you know you can be anything you want it. We are the children of the rising sun. I've got this feeling we've only just begun.